Hi everyone, welcome to Kik channel. Today I'm going to share how to make fried chicken wing in an easy way and tasty. Let's get started. The ingredients are chicken wings. I use the meat wings, chopped garlic, pepper powder, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cornflour, and cooking oil. And now I'm going to add all the seasoning into the chicken wings and marinate. Garlic, pepper powder, oyster sauce, soya sauce, and the cornflour. So I will marinate. After marinate, and I will leave it about 45 minutes to 1 hour to let the chicken wing season well. After being left marinated about 45 minutes to 1 hour, and now it's time to fry. Make sure the oil is hot enough to put the chicken wing inside. Fry with medium fire and make sure to flip over. Let the chicken wing cook evenly. And this is tasty fried chicken wings. You could try it at home and add in to your list as a daily recipe as well. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye, see you again for the next recipe only at ResepKik channel.